Hi, I'm with Rashmi Singh, CEO, founder of Time and Task. Rashmi, welcome to TiECon 2016.
Thank you so much.
I'd love to hear more about what you've observed today and what your takeaways so far.
Okay, so this is my second time in TiECon. I am also a regular member of the TiECon. And last year it's pretty impressive. I got generate some leads from here as a service industry. And this time, because we are launching this product for first time, so Time and Task is the product we are launching from TiECon 2016. So
Oh, that's
it's
awesome!
yeah. So this is a pretty eventful event for us. My team is pretty excited because we are launching the product over here after doing a beta launch in 10 to 12 companies. So this product is really doing well for the efficiency, real-time productivity tool. And the TiECon, I see it's a good platform for us because we are focusing on the software industry. And this TiECon is more focused on the software industry. We see like people who are in the tech, architect, or those people. So that's why we choose TiECon to inaugurate this launch on this platform.
Oh, that's great. That's great. So, tell me a little bit more about Time and Task in terms of as I understand it, you do more than just project management. You've got a bunch of other workflows also integrated. So,
Yes. So time and task is basically it's more on the real-time productivity and money management tool. It's not there are so many products which are already available as a project management or timesheet management and lot of that, but no one is managing the real-time costing of the budgets. And the most challenging for the tech industry or anything in a non-tangible industry, like how to control the budget of the projects where there are so many pieces integrated, where the people are inside the office, where the people are working outside or offsite, and when the team, there are so many codependencies on the clients and there are different stakeholders are involved in the project. So it's a real challenge to control the budget of the project. So we are solving that problem in terms of finances, and the application is having available in all the platforms. It's having a chat where you can chat and maintain the history on the platform. So it's a one-time solution for all of the problems where controlling the project in terms of work and also on the budget. So it sends the notifications to the business owners and the project managers when the project is going out of the budget, how the team is working, what their productivity is, where their project is coming in the loss. So it's not only the project management, it's more than that.
that sounds amazing. It sounds like a pretty comprehensive tool. So, I'll certainly keep our eye on it, and hopefully our Thai audience will do the same as well.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.